Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll be learning about types of recording microphones and some accessories you'll need to improve your recording quality. Let's start by talking about large diaphragm condenser mics. These have usually got a diaphragm of at least 1 inch or larger in diameter. They are side addressed, meaning you need to sing into the side. Generally, these have very good low frequency response and low self-noise. You'd use this type of microphone for studio vocals and acoustic instruments. Small diaphragm condenser mics are stick-shaped and cardioid. They are end-addressed, that means you sing into the end. Generally, these have very good detail, so they're good for close miking of acoustic instruments like cymbals, acoustic guitar, and piano. A dynamic instrument mic is stick-shaped and end-addressed. They generally have some low-frequency roll-off when they're used up close and are common for miking drums and guitar amps. The good old Shure Sm57 is the most common dynamic instrument mic, tried, true, and robust. A live vocal microphone is a unidirectional mic with an ice cream cone shape because of the large grill used to reduce breath pops. It comes in condenser, dynamic, or ribbon varieties. Ribbon microphones are generally used when you want a warm, smooth tone quality. Boundary microphones are designed to be used on surfaces, so you'd tape them to the underside of a piano lid or to a wall for picking up your room ambience. A mini microphone can be attached to drum rims, flutes, violins, and so on. They tend to have more hiss, but they're less expensive than other types of microphones. Mini microphones are the types of mics that newscasters wear on their lapels. A stereo microphone combines 2 directional mic capsules in a single housing for convenient stereo recording. Since there's no spacing between the capsules, there's no delay or phase shift between the signals. Digital microphones are condenser mics with built-in analog to digital converters. The output is a digital signal, so there's no risk of introducing hum. Head-worn mics are small condenser mics worn on the head, either omnidirectional or unidirectional. These let a performer move freely. Some models provide excellent gain before feedback and isolation. Pop filters. This is a must for a vocalist's mic. It can be a foam sock or a windscreen. To do these voiceovers, I actually use both. The pop filter reduces that explosion of air that results from pronouncing consonants like B, P, and T, the plosives. The best type of filter is the nylon screen in a hoop placed a few inches from the mic. You can also reduce pop by placing the mic above or to the side of the mouth, or by using an omnidirectional microphone. You can also use a shock mount. This isolates the microphone from mechanical vibrations, such as floor thumps, knocking of the mic stand, touching the microphone, etc. So, how do you go about choosing your microphone? First of all, decide what your main requirement is, and then understand which microphone spec accommodates that. Let me go through a number of examples here. If your priority is a natural, smooth tone quality, look for a microphone with a flat frequency response. If you want a bright, present tone quality, look for a mic with a good high-frequency response. For extended lows, consider an omnidirectional condenser microphone or a dynamic mic with good low-frequency response. If you're looking for extended highs and detail in the high frequency, then pick up a condenser microphone. For reduced edge or for reduced detail, work with a dynamic microphone. If you're looking for boosted bass up close, try a directional microphone. For flat bass response up close, use an omnidirectional mic or a directional mic with sound holes in the handle. For reduced pickup of leakage, feedback, and room reverb, work with directional microphones. For enhanced pickup of room acoustics, try an omnidirectional microphone. If you're doing close miking and hidden miking, you'll need boundary microphones. And if you're miking to a moving surface, you'll also need boundary microphones. If you need coincident or near coincident stereo, work with a stereo microphone. If you're looking for an extra rugged microphone that can handle traveling and being banged around a little bit, you'll definitely want to stick with a dynamic microphone. For reduced handling noise, get an omnidirectional mic or a uni with a shock mount. For reduced breath popping, work with an omnidirectional microphone or make sure you've got popping filters on your unidirectional microphone. For distortion-free pickup of loud sounds, work with a condenser mic that's got a high max SPL or a dynamic microphone. For low self-noise, high sensitivity, and noise-free pickup of quiet sounds, work with a large diaphragm condenser microphone. And this concludes our tutorial about microphone types.